I'm Brett Schupner, General Manager, Reedsburg Utility Commission. Our service area includes the city of Reedsburg, population just under 10,000 people. We got 175 square miles of service territory and about 3,400 customers. In 1997, we were looking to connect our facilities, our substations, and our wells to our SCADA system. We wanted to connect it with fiber. The local incumbents weren't interested in fiber at the time, so we looked to see how we could do it ourselves.
It started much like a lot of other municipals. We wanted to get a fiber loop around the city for our substations, our wells, and so forth. And about that time, the school came to us and said, hey, we've got 3 buildings we want to tie with fiber. Can we rent space on your utility poles? And we worked out a price with them for a 10-year lease, and it helped us get our project started. In 2010 and 2011, we were also successful in applying for some of the stimulus funding that was out there. And we were able to build a very large service area around Reedsburg. With that big service area now and with the equipment we've got, I think that they've got a real bright future.
Our customers weren't experiencing what the true benefits of what fiber and the Calyx systems can deliver.
The inspiration behind the Gigabit was after the user group last year, we came back to Wisconsin and we decided that we have the capabilities to offer something that extraordinary, and no one in the area or even the state was doing that yet. So why not be the first in Wisconsin to offer a Gigabit?
From 2012 to now, our peak traffic rate has increased 6 times.
When I started here at Reedsburg Utility, we were using fiber drives by Optical Solutions. And then when Calyx bought them out, we've started migrating now onto the E7 platform using GPON.
We're using Reedsburg Utility for our Metro Ethernet connectivity. And that would be for our 3 locations here in the Reedsburg area. And being able to have higher bandwidth with the fiber is very important to us. Our bandwidth needs have recently increased with our increasing use of imaging. With the central office being in Westby, there's a lot of data that's passed back and forth between our branches back to our home office in Westby.
Our previous offerings were symmetrical services from 1 meg to 20 meg services.
We start with a standard offering at 50 meg by 25 meg, and then we go up to, we have 2 more. We have a 100 meg by 50 meg, and then we go to our Gigabit service. In many of the areas, we have up to 75% take rate. In the city of Reedsburg, we're right over 50%. We knew with marketing the gig that we needed to come out very strong, and we needed to mainly focus on businesses. That was our biggest tactic. As far as residential, we knew we needed to educate people, and especially educate the people in Reedsburg as to how important having a gig in the community is and what type of potential that could mean for economic development.
By us offering a gig or having a gig available, businesses see that we can deliver the services that they'll need now and into the future. Since we've offered the gig, we've been contacted by businesses in other communities to see if they can get our services over there. So we are doing some smaller builds into some neighboring communities to pick up a few of those customers that want those higher levels.
Because of that forward thinking and because of what the RUC has been able to accomplish, we now have a company that is in Baraboo, which is 12 miles away, that they will be able to take the Ring and the RUC and be able to bring them together. So there will be probably expansion within that company and the park that it's in, because it's all going to be there now.
Advice for other utilities looking at getting into telecommunication services would be to, make sure there's a need that's not getting met. Make sure you have community support and your employees' support. Broadband internet is likely going to be a necessity, similar to what our electric and water is right now. I anticipate in 10 years the gig is going to be the new standard or even higher than the gig.